Hope you guys are all doing awesome. So today I'm going to be reviewing a very special wig, and it's the Lagos hairline wig. It does have a widow's peak and like a really low hairline, so this wig is great if you have a low hairline. First of all, I want to say that the plucking on this unit is chef's kiss. It is so stunning and it looks super natural. Now, because the hairline is pretty low and it's not like a straight cut, you have to take your time when you're installing this. You literally have to install it in sections. I just absolutely love the low hairline because as someone who doesn't really have edges, this just makes me feel like I have edges. It makes me know what I would look like with edges. Oh my goodness, Myfirstwigs, you guys ate down with this unit because this hairline is so believable. If you want that Lagos hairline but you can't fly all the way down to Lagos, this is the closest thing you would get